Hello guys! Here are 6 amazing platforms to create and sell your own courses. Let's get started! Online learning platforms have upsurged massive traffic as more and more people from all age groups want meaningful learning. Selling online courses and tutorials only is the most lucrative and best strategy right now, as millions of people are searching for courses that can enhance their skills and knowledge. That is why in this video, I'll be sharing with you the top 6 platforms where you can create and sell courses online. And I have also added the key features, pros, and cons. So let's jump right into number 1. We have Course Funnels. Course Funnels is an amazing platform that allows you to create and sell online courses. It provides high-class experience to students in learning and gives creators a powerful sales platform. Course Funnels works for everyone from small businesses to large companies and universities. Here are its key features. It helps you to create amazing courses with lessons, chapters, quizzes, and assignments. You can sell your courses by creating amazing landing pages, and with an inbuilt autoresponder, you can seamlessly do email marketing. There are sales boosting add-ons like Conversion Proof, Exit Pop, Timer, and Built-in. It supports all kinds of video hosts like Vimeo, YouTube, self-hosted, and others. You can get sales reporting, analytics reports, and progress tracking for members and students. You can also track student progress and provide them with certificates. It integrates with all the major payment gateways, sales platforms, and cards. And you can integrate it with all major autoresponders. It provides support for multiple users and teachers, and many more. Here are its pros. It is user-friendly. You can build amazing landing and sales pages for your courses. It has high-powered autoresponder built right in. It comes with dozens of ready-made templates for everything. You can grab opt-in leads and deliver your courses instantly. You can set up marketing sequences with inbuilt autoresponder. And you have course reviews. You also have comments management system, drip feed content, and it is self-hosted to give you 100% control and security. Here are its cons. As of now, we don't see any downsides of Course Funnels yet. Moving on to number 2. Thinkific. Thinkific allows you to create, send, and deliver courses on your own branded site. Thinkific makes it easy to grow your brand and engage with your prospective clients. Here are its features. You can get full access to edit the code of your courses. You can set up the expiry date of your course. And you can get a built-in course authoring. It has organized web content with a simple drop and drag feature. And you can get access to HTML and CSS. Here are its pros. You can easily edit the code of courses. It has customizable domains, has marketing automation, and supports Google AdWords. For its cons, you can't add your own CSS, and there are not many plugins inside. Also, the themes are single column, and there is no control of SEO settings on the web pages. Next we have Teachable. Teachable is a great option for newbies because the setup and navigation are very easy. This is also the reason why the prices are low and flexible. Let's see what features it has. A smooth setup. You get live Zoom courses in the Pro section. They have payment plans in 100 plus currencies. You get unlimited courses, students, and bandwidth. They offer great sales page and storefronts and has an active blog with valuable tips. For its pros, it has good customer service, and you can also customize website themes, and free plan is available. For its cons, they charge transaction fees, and designing a sales page is difficult here. Payout options might create problems for people outside the US. Number 4, we have Podia. Podia is a complete all-in-one platform that provides you to create and sell courses, digital products, and membership. You can get some amazing email marketing features here on Podia. Here are its features. It provides unlimited courses and products. It has pre-launch option to notify people about your course, and you can get Zapier integration or host your own videos. For its pros, it is user-friendly. You can also create coupons and memberships. It has affordable plans and offers different payment options to students. For its cons, however, there's no transaction fees, and you can't personalize the emails, no certification feature, and no landing page builder. It has lack of design flexibility. Number 5, we have LearnDash. LearnDash is a popular WordPress plugin to sell online courses with a WordPress site. It is one of the best options when we talk about WordPress learning management systems. Here are its features. You can create unlimited courses. It supports recurring payments and has amazing administration tools. And there are many settings and control options. For its pros, it has seamless drag and drop builder. It supports detailed video content and has a powerful front-end learning experience. Moving on to its cons, the payment options are very limited. Also, LearnDash is expensive. The plans are very limited and membership are limited. And last but not the least, WizIQ. WizIQ provides educators an easy and amazing way to create virtual classrooms for students. They provide live training with the latest tools such as mobile options, videos, discussion boards, and a lot more. Here are its features. A video streaming option is available. You can track students' attendance and enables e-assignments and tests. And also, they provide cloud storage and mobile learning. For its pros, the quality of the recorded video is good, and you can upload and edit PDF easily and on time. For its cons, first, the customer service is not good. It has poor audio and video quality, plugins are slow, and many bugs in the software. And there you have it, the top 6 platforms where you can create and sell your courses online. And now the question is, how to choose the right platform for your online learning needs. First, the most important point is whether it is easy to use or not. An online learning platform should be easy to use and set up for both students and teachers. Number 2, you should select a platform that provides interactive content, virtual classrooms, grading, and comments from educators. Number 3, make sure to select a platform that works for all students irrespective of their devices. And number 4, online learning platforms should provide analytics to help get essential data and evaluate students on their performance. Which is why we highly recommend the top 1, Course Funnels. Not only for the incredible features, but also for its good customer service and very affordable price. So go ahead and try Course Funnels now. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.